friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today, I'm going to explain is Kung Furin mask reviews legit or a scam? Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased Kung Furin mask review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So, we all know we are living in a world where global pandemic is running around named as coronavirus, where safety is our first priority these days. So, we will try to get through a website which is offering a certain range of products that can help you in safety equipments that you desire to have in today's times. So Kung Furin Mask deals with the mask, sanitizer and gloves, which are a basic necessity these days for safety purposes. Let's look at its product that are available. So it has products as a set of or combo of mask available in its website. Also, it has various kinds of gloves and sanitizers as well. The mask of these websites have very cute prints on it, including this very innovative and exclusive unicorn mask. Now, talking about its price, the price seems to be pretty reasonable on this website. Talking about the payment methods are not provided on the website, which is a very strange thing, of course. Now, talking about the shipping policy, there is no shipping policy provided on the website as a whole. So, now, before proceeding further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So, talking about the HTTPS protocol, it has a correct HTTPS protocol, this website, so it is completely safe. Now, talking about the age of this website, we checked on a website and this website was registered on 18th April 2020, which is not pretty old, and a major point that the scam websites usually do operate on a new domain age. So this is a consequence of this website. Now talking about its contact information, we checked out the contact us information and found very dubious about the fact that this website hasn't provided with any physical address, so or its email address or its contact number. This is a very dubious thing about this website. Now, talking about its social media presence, the website has provided with the social media handles like Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp. We tried to get into these sites but were unable to find an active social media account. Now, moving further, this website does not have any email address or return or exchange policies mentioned on the website. So, if you have any opinion regarding the return and exchange policy of this website, please let us know. Now, talking about the customer reviews, we could not find any customer reviews on this website. We tried to find out customer reviews on different websites or social media, but couldn't find anything related to this website. Now, talking about the website content quality, we must say that this website seems to be pretty unorganized and the products in this website are not categorized in a specified manner. So, considering all these points, we can say that this website seems to be a scam website, and we request our listeners not to trust on such websites. We request them not to invest their hard-earned money on this website. There are many other options available in the web stores. Refrain yourselves from buying from such website. Now, we are also here to say that you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. If you have ever been one of its customer and faced a scam from this website, you can get the money back by the links that we have referred in the comment section. Now, we also would like to say that we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.